Grundfos SB and SBA submersible booster pumps. SB and SBA operate from any submersible water source around the home. They're designed to be used for water pressure boosting from break tanks above or below ground, rainwater harvesting from cisterns outside or break tanks inside, irrigation such as watering the garden with either rainwater or water from shallow wells. SB and SBA pumps are reliable, made of corrosion-resistant composite and stainless steel materials, silent when submerged in water, among the most energy-efficient pumps in their class, safe, automatically stopping in cases of overheating or dry running, and restarting when conditions return to normal. Protected from clogging, with strainers preventing large particles entering the pump housing. And they're easy to install. Supplied with 15 meters of electrical cable, lifting eye and check valve. The Plug and Pump SBA has an integrated controller. Let's look at how to choose the right pump for your needs. Firstly, will it be the SB or SBA? It depends how you want to control the pump. SB is operated by an external control unit, such as the Grundfos PM Pressure Manager. This intelligent controller ensures optimal water pressure by starting the pump at a preset cut-in pressure point and continuing for as long as there is flow. It can also sense when the pump is operational and alert you to any failures that might occur. For all-in-one simplicity, SBA offers integrated pressure and flow control with its built-in automatic controller. You won't need to take up any further space in the house with additional controllers. Secondly, will you need a float switch? This provides added protection for the pump, stopping the motor whenever the water runs low. Thirdly, choose a strainer. The fixed strainer at the pump's base takes in water through a 1 mm mesh. A floating suction strainer will take water from where it's typically cleanest, avoiding any impurities on the surface or debris at the bottom. In all, there are 8 variants to choose from. SB and SBA pumps are perfect for submersion in rainwater tanks. Let's zoom in on how you can use them to optimize a rainwater harvesting system. Rainwater is ideal for garden irrigation, toilet flushing, and vehicle cleaning. It conserves drinking water, and its softness helps extend the lifespan of household appliances. SB and SBAs can be used as feed pumps, which are essential for delivering the rainwater consistently and efficiently to the system. Using a floating suction strainer ensures the water is clean and free from solid particles. An additional filter can be useful to protect sanitary appliances from smaller particles. To discover more about Grundfos SB and SBA submersible pumps, or explore our whole range of rainwater harvesting solutions for the home, visit grundfos.com.